Alright, this is Josh and Jericho with Tactical Tech, and today we're going to review the factory radio. And what this is basically a refurbished old radio from a Chevy circa 2000, I think it's like 98 to 2005, somewhere around there, that comes with a Bluetooth and an auxiliary installed. Now how this thing works is you basically unplug this thing, or push it in, and it goes to Bluetooth mode when it's on an FM channel. I can switch over to FM2, switch over to AM, and switch over back to FM. Now I want to review this primarily for the sound quality, because the Bluetooth sound quality sucks. So I got my computer phone hooked up to the Bluetooth right now, and to demonstrate, I'm going to pull up a little bit of music here. And I find that the Doors is always the best to test out any sound quality on any stereo system. And we'll go ahead and play it. It's very silent.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah.
Right about here is when that organ starts hitting up. So let's go ahead and disconnect this and see. Oh man. Yeah, that's another thing. The volume, I don't know, difference in volume between going FM to Bluetooth is another big problem. So let's go ahead and play it again. You hear a little bit more of that, what is it called? Cymbals, tambourines? I don't know, I'm not a music major. Yeah, it sounds like crap there too, but it's coming out of a phone speaker, so it ain't too bad. Let's go ahead and try it out with this thing installed.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah.
Alright, Daggy, what did you think compared to the Bluetooth or the plugged-in one? What was the difference, do you think?
I think the plugged-in one was a little deeper, and the one that didn't have this stingy was a little higher.
I think it sounded better with the cable, of course. Bluetooth sounded like crap, sounded like it was muffled. But even with the cable, it still sounds extremely canned. And to show you that it's not my speakers, let's see if we can... Oh, God! Pull this random radio station and compare it Bluetooth-wise versus FM. Sounds pretty good?
Yeah.
Alright. Takes a little while to boot up the Bluetooth too. Turn up the volume here. Sounds extremely canned, doesn't it? Okay. So overall verdict of this thing, I don't like it. I'm sending it back to factory. What do you think, Daggy?
Yeah, I don't really like it because when you turn it off of Bluetooth, it's very loud.
Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead and install the original stereo back in. Oh, I guess I need this on to move the shift. Hold that. Ah. All right. This one's not easy to get in. All right. How's that sound, Iggy? Let's try the balance. You hearing it over there?
No, not really. I just hear it over there. Yeah, I don't hear it over here.
That's no good. Make sure this thing's seated correctly. Hear it now? All right. Now,
a little bit louder than this one.
Yeah, probably. This old truck. So now we're gonna use our test song again. Just do apples to apples instead of doors to Edward and the Magnetic Zeros. Let's play it.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah.
Real different, huh? Alright, I think that'll work out. I'll just hook it up to my other Bluetooth adapter and it worked out perfect.
Okay.
Alright, what do we say at the end of the video?
To subscribe, leave a like, and click the notification bell.
Okay, Iggy. Thank you much.